हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ योर होस्ट खुशबू और आज हम आए हैं जिम कॉर्बेट के एक बहुत ही प्यारे से रिजॉर्ट में रुके हैं। थोड़ी सी ऑफ बीट लोकेशन पे जाके ये लोकेशन है। द नेम इज़ वेलकम होटल्स बाय आईटीसी एंड इट्स प्रिटी ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस। बहुत ही सुंदर होटल है जिसके आपको विजुअल्स दिखाऊंगी। ये जो मैं खड़ी हूँ, दिस इज़ द बाथरूम एरिया दैट वी हैव ओवर हेयर। और हम लोग आए थे, हमने यहाँ पे 1 डे का स्टे लिया है। अभी इट्स अ वीकेंड स्टे, हमने आते ही इंस्टेंट बुक किया था। आई बी शोइंग यू ऑल द अम्यूनिटीज दैट आर देयर इन द होटल। क्या कुछ है, क्या कुछ आप कर सकते हो, वाई शुड यू चूज दिस प्रॉपर्टी एट ऑल, एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस प्रॉपर्टी। सो लेट्स द फन बिगिन। Let's start from the beginning. So we reached Welcome Hotel almost around 11:30 a.m. and usually the check-in timing is 3 p.m. We are finally here. भाई साहब, this was the reception cum waiting area. We sat there for around 15-20 minutes and we got the room after that. Let's go! So we checked into our room. It was a super deluxe room that we selected, not the basic one because basic one बहुत छोटा था. This was quite spacious. You can see there is a sitting area and the sofa that you see is a sofa cum bed. So you can actually, like, 3 to 4 people can actually live in this room. This has an extra washroom. This is an extra washroom. This is the main master bed. And then on the right hand side, you will see the huge bathroom that comes in with all the amenities that you require to have. So there is a safe मिलेगी आपको, there is a dryer, there is an iron table iron, there is toiletries, everything is there, bathroom slippers, etc, etc. And you have the TV as well, and this is basically the outer balcony area, and the view was so much, मतलब breath taking, to be very honest. Like, इतना अच्छा व्यू था. We actually sat around and had our lunch outside only, and you get a personal lawn as well alongside this, so you can actually chill there. And if you are going as a family, so your children can actually play in the lawn area very nicely. तो यहाँ का चेक इन होता है यूजुअली 3 बजे, बट वी गॉट द चेक इन अराउंड 12 नून इटसेल्फ. वी रीच्ड अराउंड 12. यहाँ का जो रूट है दैट इज़ अ वेरी ऑफ रूट काइंड ऑफ अ स्पेस, एंड यही एक प्रॉपर्टी है यहाँ पे. देयर इज़ नथिंग एल्स आजू बाजू में. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू कम हेयर एज अ person who wants to experience and do a staycation kind of a thing and just enjoy the property. So I'll be showing you more about the property coming soon. The only thing is there is nothing nearby. So if you want to have lunch or dinner or anything, you actually have to order it here itself. So make sure that you keep that in mind or bring something with you from the downhill, कुछ पैक करा लाओ या कुछ भी, so that you don't have to invest a lot of money. 5 स्टार के हिसाब से थोड़ा सा, मतलब इट्स द नॉर्मल रेट्स, बट द क्वांटिटी इज़ गुड एंड द फूड इज़ गुड. हमने बिरयानी और पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर किया था एंड इट वाज अमेजिंग. This is the sitting space that I was talking about. So this is the visual from the dinner time, and we ordered noodles and biryani again because we loved the biryani. And this is the sofa cum bed. Hi, it's 4:30 p.m. and we are ready to go out. So you have to call a card service to go anywhere that you want. Outdoor में जाना है, anywhere that you want to go. Battery खत्म होने लगी है मेरा. So first we explored the amenities area. So here there are multiple small kind of activities that are happening. You can play badminton over here. People were playing different kind of sports, and then there is a swimming pool area that you can explore. The view from this location is pretty good, amazing. Vibe बहुत बहुत अच्छी थी, and evening time हो चुका था, so we actually had a fun roaming around and exploring the property. You will find all the amenities written on the board, like what is when happening. So, yeah, this is the swimming pool area. People were enjoying in the evening time. It was kind of full, so we didn't go in during the evening time. We actually went during the early morning time. और यहाँ से व्यू बहुत ही सुंदर. ये बॉनफायर एरिया है. क्या ही रश होना है, बट ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट टाइम है फोटो वोटो क्लिक कराने का. लोग ब्यूटीफुल. इससे पहले मेरी इंस्टा की बैटरी डाउन हो. अब इसके बाद आते हैं हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हाई टी एंड स्नैक्स. सो यू गेट मल्टीपल टाइप्स ऑफ सैंडविचेस, समोसास, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ टीज, कुकीज, एक्सेट्रा. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ मील, to be very honest, and it was amazing. They conduct a folk dance. I'm not sure if they conduct it every day, but it was happening when we went. So the folk dance was amazing. We actually participated in the folk dance and had a great time over there. There were different tea cakes which I really loved, and then we explored the property again.
Some hunters preferred to ride in a howdah from which they could stand and fire.
We are exploring this beautiful resort. You can see कितना सुंदर बनाया हुआ है यार. It is just look at the view. डिनर और लंच आपका पेड होगा. इफ़ यू गेट गुड डील्स देन यू कैन गेट इट वाइल बुकिंग. हमने अमेज़ॉन के थ्रू बुक किया था. अमेज़ॉन मेक माई ट्रिप आप कह सकते हैं. तो हमें उससे काफ़ी थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट मिल गया था. काफ़ी तो क्या ही बोलूँ. सुबह के 7:15 बज रहे हैं. वी आर हियर टू सी द सनराइज. ब्यूटीफुल सनराइज. दिस इज़ द रिवर. और इतनी दूर रिवर से भी मेरे को आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है रिवर की. Swimming session. You do MOT. Amazing morning swimming session. और अब हम जाएंगे ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. This is the view from here. So as you can see, you get wide variety of food in breakfast, which is amazing. सब कुछ बहुत ही yum था. The food was great, and we thoroughly enjoyed the breakfast. To be very honest. So after having a wholesome breakfast, you can actually spend your time roaming in the resort or take a nap or just chill around. Like, don't do anything, just chill, I would say. And it was great. We actually sat near the 360-degree point जहाँ पे रात को documentary चल रही थी. We sat there for some time and then we went to our rooms, packed our bags and checked out. So this was our time in ITC. How was the experience?
कैसा था ये? बोलो तो let's go.